This year's shows are going to be amazing. 3 Themes at 3 is now 3 Themes Live.
Not only do we have a new name, but we have a new time. 1 p.m. Mountain, 3 p.m. Eastern.
We just finished our first week and introduced something called Stitch Your Story. And this is an ongoing series where you tell your story in the quilt blocks you make throughout the year.
And we introduced this year's UFO game board. UFO stands for Unfinished Objects. Keep track of your progress, compete with your sewing friends, and win prizes.
So be sure to catch 3 Themes Live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain Time, or watch it on demand via Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
Come hang out with your girlfriends from all around the world, where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go!